ASPN stock analysis and ASPN stock prediction. So in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade this, because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. So ASPN, I mean, you can clearly see this, that it kind of reached my supply zone, and man, all I have to say is that we're far away from where we for me to really be bullish, I would like to see more power behind this, right? Again, I have like 40,000 videos documented, so it's not like I haven't seen this happen tens of thousands of times. But like zooming out, it's kind of crashed, and then a random pump this week, right? 30% up last week, combined up. All I have to say is that nothing is stopping me from doubling down this long side prediction, but really buying it's gonna occur is if all my rules are met. Even though this is a 4-hour chart, if I do see my corrections pulling down, giving me a double break, then and only then I'm buying. So let me know what is your opinion. I will most definitely continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.